What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Manic Geek. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Just a quick vlog I wanted to throw up on the channel to show you guys some of the behind the scenes stuff that I've been working on and unbox some packages that I just got in. Maybe I'll be able to bring you some spicy content with it. So the first thing I'm working on right now, and I'm just finishing up my full test period for it, is I got a lot of peripherals in from a company called Tilted Nation. Now, they've been basically serving as the majority of my setup, except for my keyboard, for the past week or so now. And yeah, I'm going to be putting up a video soon to let you all know whether or not it's worth it to invest into their product stacks. So stay tuned for that one. Now, the next thing that I'm working on is behind the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it around. And bam, we got this monstrosity. So I will be going into more detail about this in two separate videos, actually. One talking about what in the sphincter hell this case and hardware even is back there. Spoilers, that is my new dedicated test bed for the channel. As well as a video talking about this interesting looking open liquid CPU cooling loop with something a little different going on. So stay tuned to see how this project turned out. And we also got, oh, wonder what's in those. We got this box over here, just caked with spray paint inside. I had a little experiment with painting GPU bracket for my RTX 2070. Didn't really like the way it turned out, so I'm probably gonna do that again. Might make a video on my process for doing that though, so hit me up in the comments below if that's something you'd like to see. And then of course there's the leftover mess from all of the water cooling stuff that I've been working with, as well as the RGB desk mat that Tilted sent me. Yeah, this one is definitely, for better or worse, going to be discussed as well in that review of their product line. Anyway, let's get these up on the table and see what's inside. All right. Let's get this table cleared off. And true to my time-honored tradition of cleaning methods, I've taken one mess and just relocated it to another spot. All right, box number one, box number two. Ooh, one of these was expected, the other was not. Let's see what was inside. All right, so first box contains Fractal Design Celsius S Plus. Celsius S Plus. Oh my God, why can't I say that? So this first item is the Celsius Plus S24 Dynamic. This is part of their new all-in-one refresh, and we're gonna put it through its paces, see how well it performs, see how quiet it is, and then slap the Prisma fans on here to see if there's a performance delta between the standard dynamic fans that come with this version and the Prisma fans that come with the full ARGB variant. And this other box contains some goodies from Gambius. So let's see what they got here. This is their Aeolus M2 fans. These are, this is a 5-pack of 120 millimeter ARGB fans. They, I believe, are the same ones that were in the Athena M2 that we took a look at a little while back on the channel. So yeah, we'll go ahead and put these through their paces as well and see if these are suitable as radiator and air cooling fans. And this last one is something I've not really ever taken a look at before. This is the Hermes E1B. It's a 4-in-1 combo of desktop gaming peripherals, giving you a keyboard, a mouse mat, and an RGB gaming headset. Just how good can a kit like this actually be? This should be an interesting video, so definitely stay tuned for this one. I'm gonna put it through its paces after I wrap up with the other stuff I'm working on. But for right now, toss the video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Comment down below for the upcoming content you're most excited to see. And if you have any ideas for any interesting products that you've seen lately that you'd like me to take a look at, leave those down below as well, and I'll see if I can get them in. Anyway, I'll catch you all next time because I've got a lot of work to do. Take it easy.